My eye is literally burning, dude.
Hey, ewa salame, babak no papier, ewa salame, zingzalbim, ewa salame, hey, hey, hey.
Hi guys, my name is Indigo. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. This video is gonna be so disgusting. I am not excited, but I am actually excited because I do want to see how these turn out. Honestly, I was not planning on filming today. As you guys can see, I already had like a makeup look already done and everything. You guys normally don't see like my very artistic ones like on this channel because I just kind of save those for like, you know, just pictures. But I came across this article that really pissed me off, but also kind of got me intrigued. And it was an article about 5 cheap natural remedies to remove stubborn makeup. And the things that they recommended are wild. So grab a snack because it's about to be a very interesting video, and let's just start off this weird journey. Before we do start off, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications, and let's get started. I have a lot of makeup on right now, but I only have one face, and I have a lot of heavy duty makeup on my face as well. So I think it's like the perfect canvas to not only test these out, but also do it in sections. I am going to have a control in this experiment because wow, I went to school. Can you guys imagine? I am going to have a micellar water on hand that I know can actually remove makeup. So after every single attempt that we do, we're gonna go over it and we're gonna see if we see any residual makeup on the makeup wipe and see just how effective these makeup removing tips can be. So first and foremost, this is the intro. We often forget that taking off the makeup off. Okay, well, the person that typed this out was either really sleepy or they don't know basic English, which same, so I'm not gonna get on their case for that, but go off. Requires equal time and attention because if left on overnight, this very makeup can become a cause for several beauty problems, facial marks, freckles, or even acne, which is probably what I'm gonna get after this video. Oh my god, this next sentence is about to make me flip out. Okay, while we have enough products in the market to remove all the color from our face, most of them contain chemicals that aren't exactly wonderful for the skin. If somebody was really that concerned about the chemicals, which by the way, everything's a chemical, so if you think that scientifically backed up products are bad, yikes. Wouldn't you think that somebody that thinks that already is not going to use makeup because that's a lot of chemicals on our face? Interesting, whatever. Well, finding the correct product for your skin is a tough task. Nature, as always, has several surprises in store. It's called natural selection. The first one, and I can't believe I'm saying this, is baking soda and honey. This remedy is good for any skin type. By the way, these are my words. Don't try these at home. Any of these things can destroy your skin barrier. Grab some honey lying around in your kitchen and put it on a piece of cotton or a clean pad, or a clean cloth. Not clean pad. So I have some little Honey Mate face towels over here. I actually really like these. I have been sponsored by them recently, not here on YouTube, but on TikTok, and I actually do like them. Here I have my, you guys are gonna laugh. Here I have my Laura Mercier. I'm not even lying. Laura Mercier honey. Isn't that neat? They sent me grade A clover honey as part of one of the PR packages. This is Laura Mercier honey because I'm fancy or whatever. I'm really not. I'm just on a PR list. Oh, this smells so good. I cannot believe I'm wasting this on freaking dumb shit like this. But I don't have any other honey in my house. I'm gonna put the honey on the clean cloth. No. Oh, that's a lot. Sprinkle on some baking soda on the honey and watch it act as a great cleanser as well as exfoliator. Here we have our baking soda. That looks like a lot. Mind you, there's no ratios on the website, nothing at all. I don't know what is going on there, to be honest. It's turning into like clumps. Where do I even start? Oh wait, let me take off my lashes first. We're gonna try actually the moon. We're gonna see if the moon works. I wanna do it gently because obviously we're focusing on the product itself, not the wipe. A wipe will obviously remove makeup. You thought I was gonna be slick. No, ma'am. Let me just show you that I'm actually wiping. I'm tugging hard now. Ew! Yo, and this burns. I'm not even gonna lie. I don't have sensitive skin, but this burns. Literally struggling. And my foundation is still intact. Ew, not to mention there's like a whole bunch of crusty stuff on my skin. Do you see this? I don't have to do the rest of my face for you guys to see that that's not a great idea. Okay, so I am back. This is my little wet cloth thingy, and I'm just gonna wipe at that. Ow! Ooh, that literally felt like I just scraped my skin against the concrete. Ow! Oh my god. Ow! Holy... Don't do this. Look how red my skin is getting. Oh wait, guys. I have nothing to worry about. It's completely natural ingredients. I don't have to worry about it. It's just natural. The only way I could describe that was like... invasive. In perspective, I'm gonna try the micellar water. I'm gonna see how much makeup it actually removed from that spot. Obviously, I have makeup around here, so we're not gonna judge the edges. I'm just gonna put that on the center. I'm gonna be fair. And of course, makeup was still very much there. So the first one was bad. They had the audacity to call that one a remedy. Next one. The next one is, oof. Okay, first of all, the next one is coconut oil. Now this one actually can remove makeup. I don't have to prove that to you guys because it's in like almost every single remover and it's an oil. A lot of oils can remove makeup. However, I highly recommend you not to. There are a million other oils out there that can remove your makeup without the amount of issues that coconut oil can cause for your skin. I know for a fact that if I'll try right now, I will fully have like a full-blown breakout for weeks. I'm not gonna do that to myself. I'm not gonna subject myself even for like a little 10-minute video. That's ridiculous. So I'm just gonna say yes, that actually is probably the only thing on this list that can actually remove makeup, but I would not advise it at all. You can just use the Vanilla Coat Clean at Zero, which is my favorite one. I always use this all the time whenever I wear makeup. I will continue to use this compared to all this other BS I'm gonna try. So if you guys ever do wanna try like a makeup cleanser or whatever, that's the one. None of these, don't do these. The next one I'm trying is kind of harmless. I just think it's a little weird. This one is milk. And yes, this was a rarity to come by because I do not drink milk. And this was like deep within like... Let me just make sure it's not expired. Oh my god. Milk is known for its health benefits and for being a wonderful ingredient for your skin. The essential fats and proteins found in whole milk allow our skin to retain moisture and repair damaged cells. Milk has a strong bleaching property. What milk are you drinking? At first, I thought this was absolutely ridiculous because, first of all, it is. But then I started realizing what could possibly be in milk that they could be talking about. And then I remembered lactic acid is a thing. Lactic acid is a very gentle AHA, which means it's not going to do much for your skin, especially in like milk form. There's not going to be a lot of lactic acid. If that were the case, whenever you drink milk, you would taste it very acidic, very burny because it burns, because it's acid. But it doesn't do that because there's such a low percentage. Lactic acid does not bleach your skin. I don't even know why you'd want to be doing that. Simply soak your cotton pads in a small bowl of milk and then use them to wipe off your makeup. So this is just milk, so I don't feel like scared as all hell to put this around my eyes, but I'll do it. Why not? Ew. I have a lot of glitter. I have a lot of black eyeshadow. I have a lot of purple. This is going to be a great way to test if this works or not, so... I mean, it's coming off, and the pigment is still there. It's just moving around the design. Oh, wow. Well, now I know. If I'm ever like in the countryside and there's like only like a cow next to me and I'm wearing a full face of makeup, I'm not gonna milk its udders for makeup removal. Let's see how this is gonna work with the micellar water as a comparison. Ouch, the way she ate that up though. She even removed a lot of my lash glue, which normally my micellar water does not do, which is kind of impressive. So yeah, choices. Let's go back to the milk one and see if it'll remove my cat. Oh, wow. I love her lack of motivation. Give us nothing. And then the micellar water. Wow. They have one more that I also do want to try, and that's their natural baby shampoo. Women's Health magazine advises mixing natural baby shampoo with a little water until it's sudsy, then rubbing over your face and rinsing to remove your makeup. Let's give it a shot, okay? We have a whole other section of our face that we can do. Why not? Okay, so here we have the Happy Cappy medicated shampoo and body wash for babies. I actually use this on my face because I have fungal acne, and this has pyrethroid zinc, which is actually really good. But we're not using this as a face wash right now. We're going to use this to remove our makeup. I don't think this could do that. First and foremost, right off the bat, I can tell you this is supposed to be really gentle on the skin, but let's just give it a shot. So I'm just gonna grab like a little pump, and we're just gonna rub that on our face, and we're emulsifying it now. I don't know if you guys can see it, but my whiskers and the little anime blush is still definitely there. My eyeshadow is actually starting to come off a little bit. Also, I'm being a little cautious around the eyes because this formula is not tear-free at all. So that actually took off a decent amount of makeup. I think that was the most amount of makeup that any of these things removed. However, it obviously did not get rid of my eyeliner or anything like that. But let's try the micellar water on these areas just to see how much makeup that actually removed. I'm only gonna go over the parts that I also went over before. It still definitely left a lot of makeup on my skin. That's still makeup on my skin though. If it's a makeup remover, it should remove the makeup off my skin. And also, this eye is burning tremendously right now. So while I'm finishing on this video, I'm also going to use the micellar water to just remove the rest of my makeup. Hopefully this kind of serves as a lesson for people. Natural does not mean better. Cheaper does not mean better. Also, if you are looking for cheap, effective ways to remove your makeup, you can use a micellar water like this one, which is from Garnier. I think this one's like $7 from the drugstore. You could use a Pond's Cold Cream, which is even less. A lot of people sleep on it because like it's like a really old product, but it's been around for a really long time because it's actually pretty good. And a lot of dermatologists actually recommend it. Just make sure you get the fragrance-free version. Natural does not mean better. It just means that it derived from nature. Rattlesnakes are natural. Poison ivy is natural. Cyanide is natural. Ricin is natural. Every single chemical compound comes from this earth, whether you like it or not. And even if it's man-made, it's still to an extent at one point a natural byproduct. And look how easy that was with an actual makeup remover. That was a mess and a half. I just saw that article and I just knew it was BS, and I knew I just had to put it to the test. Did you guys expect any of these to work? Which one did you think was gonna work? Let me know down in the comments below. If you guys want me to try anything else as well, let me know down below as well. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like my art, if you guys like my energy, please like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications, and I will see you guys in the future. And hopefully I will not have like a face that's like burning like 1,000 suns in the future. Bye bye.